Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Slick Pits, and welcome to Dive Time Watch Reviews. Today, we are doing an unboxing. And for a lot of you guys out there, you may realize that I am now going to be working with H2O Below dive charters here in Pensacola, Florida. All summer long, I will be doing deckhand work as well as dive master candidate stuff. I was actually swimming just yesterday in Morrison Springs. Didn't get to really dive as I was doing more training stuff, but neither here nor there. Today we're talking about watches. And one thing that I was really excited to get my hands on, sometimes we watches will present themselves to us. You'll be shopping online, you'll be doing whatever, and you'll see something that just smacks you right in the head. And this was one of those watches for me. So I had to order this thing because it's just going to be something that speaks to me as something I can use, as something I can utilize out on a boat. And I thought it was absolutely amazing by one of my favorite watch companies ever. Of course, that would be Timex. And everybody knows Timex makes tool watches that are just absolutely incredible. And so let's just dig and dive right into this guy. This is the Timex Expedition North Tide, Temperature, and Compass, which is pretty darn incredible. So what we got here, guys, of course, the boxing of it's your typical Timex boxing. They don't really have to go super fancy. It's all about what's inside the box. So, bam, look at that incredible watch. This thing is an absolute unit. Of course, this is an unboxing, guys, so I'm not going to go through all of the stats and all of the specs on this thing, but we will pull it out and take a look at this gorgeous, gorgeous watch. It is 45 millimeters, so this bad boy is going to be quite big for a lot of you, but I have a 7¼ inch wrist, so it's going to look really incredible and usable. Like I said, guys, this thing it not only just tells the time, but it does have functions on there. It's got complications where it will tell the tide, it will tell the temperature, and it will be a compass. And so utilizing your multiple pushers on here. The bezel has a nice gliding bezel. This does not click. Now remember, guys, this is not a dive watch. This only has 100 meters of water resistance, but it is a very, very usable watch, especially if you're going to be out there and be nautical, as I will be out on the boat, out on the Gulf. And for those out there, hey, you know what, if you're camping, hunting, hiking, all that good outdoorsy stuff, this is an outdoorsman's watch, or outdoors lady. You can see that it's got a little bit of thickness to it. Of course, with all the complications and everything in there, it's going to be a little thicker, but it is not a super heavyweight watch. This is a quartz movement. Gorgeous case back on there, Expedition North. This is my 6th Timex watch. I've got 5 others that I absolutely love that are Expeditions. I've got an Expedition Field Chronograph, Weekender, and the Q1978. All amazing fun watches by one of the oldest and most awesome brands in America. Of course, that would be Timex. So, super excited about this watch, super excited to get it on wrist and get out there and play with it. I did get this specifically for a lot of those days that I'm going to be a deckhand while I'm on deck for that boat. Being able to utilize some of these. Of course, the Tide, I live close to the Gulf, and so that is going to be fun to use. Using all these fun pushers, and it does have a date function in there as well. So, yeah, that right there is going to be the Timex Expedition North Tide-Temp-Compass. So, all right, guys, if you dug this quick little unboxing video, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button for me. I will have a link below to where you can purchase this watch yourself. If you dig it, I'm your buddy Slickpits, and keep tuning in. I've got way more videos coming at you. You guys have a great day, and thank you for watching Dive Time Watch Reviews.